thumbnail of the video, and then people have like some trucks behind, and then they'll put themselves on top of it going to try and draw people in. I never went into all that sort of thing. It's why my videos were never manically crazy busy, and I never went in for making mountains out of molehills. If anything, I went the other way. So anyways, that's what this title is. It's a bit to get you in. So yeah, prosecuted for speeding. So one thing that a lot of people don't realise, actually, and you see a lot of people talking about online being done, you cannot be prosecuted for speeding on tachograph evidence alone. So yeah, if they come in, for instance, and do an investigation, or if you get checked on the road and they see you've been speeding, can't do anything about it. They cannot do anything about it. They can only use tachograph evidence to back up speeding that's been detected another way, so like a police officer, speed camera, etc, etc. But yeah, you cannot be prosecuted for speeding on tachograph evidence alone. Also worth noting as well, because I had some people question this the other day, their company was getting a bit uppity because drivers were rolling down hills and going over the limiter of 56 miles an hour, and somebody had told them it was against construction and use regulations. No, what's against construction and use regulations is if you go, if you're powered past the limiter. If you roll down a hill, hang on, somebody's at the door, I think. Oh no. If you're powered past the speed limiter, you're in trouble. But on the motorways in this country, motorways now, not anything else, on motorways now, the speed limit for trucks is still 60 miles an hour. The speed limiters were 56 miles per hour, because 90 kilometers per hour is the speed limit in much of Europe, because they were brought in because it was a European thing. But yeah, the speed limit is up to 60. So between 56 and 60, nothing, you're perfectly legal. It may be flashing over speed, but that doesn't mean anything. It's perfectly legal. Some companies get a bit uppity about over speeds and stuff. But yeah, up to 60 miles an hour, you're not breaking any laws, and you can't be prosecuted on tachograph evidence alone. So I hope you found that informative. Anything else you want me to answer in question? Like I said before, if I can't answer it myself, I will always find out the answer. And I'm also going to start reading out some sections of the actual legislation, tachograph legislation, to put some of these arguments to bed. So there we go. Have a good day, everybody. Also, driver CPC, what we got? Driver's hours on, is it driver's hours? Yes, driver's hours on Saturday. And then vulnerable road users on Sunday. Good day.